Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the first thing you have to do is insert for images and you have to decrease the sizes. Here you go. And the next thing I'm going to do is change their ratios by cropping them so the ratio I'll use is 3:2. Put all the images in this order and then group them and increase the size that each picture covers the entire slide. Now go to elements and insert a circle. Make it larger and more in diameter. And next you have to change its color. I'll use white for the color. Let's duplicate it and place it downwards as well. So here you go. Duplicate this template and move the image by pressing shift. And now duplicate it again and move the next image onto the template, and similarly do the same for the next slide. Next, what you have to do is insert your text.